What's up, yo? It's Chris back at it again with another video. Honestly, I want to apologize to all of you guys because I haven't been posting as much. I have not been active on YouTube in over a month, and that's not right. I promise you guys a lot of content, and that's what I'm gonna give you guys. Honestly, from now on, I promise you guys. Today I woke up and decided to go to Wekfest 2019 over here at the LA Convention Center. It's going to be pretty sick, guys, due to the fact that I have about 5-6 of my buddies' cars in the actual show, including one of my good friends, Sep, with a crazy wide fat ass Evo 10, and he is also from the same town, so it's pretty cool repping Simi Valley. Oh, no, fuck Simi Valley, honestly. However, I will be doing a small review on his car. His car, I'm telling you guys right now, it's the widest Evo I've ever seen in my life, and it's also good to go. I mean, it's not just show, it's a go car as well. It's got a fully built motor, all supporting mods, E85. I mean, that thing is fucking fast. Not too long ago, he posted a video of him smoking a what is that thing called, a Jeep, that Jeep SRT something, with the Hellcat motor, the one that's got 707 horsepower, and it smoked it. So, you know, right now I hope I can get my last few parts before the tune, so I can call him out and you know, go for a 40, 60, 80 mile roll. So we'll see how it goes, guys. Right now I'm about to go in the LA Convention Center, okay? So just wait on it. You're gonna see a lot of fucking badass cars, crazy builds, and a small review, like I said, on my buddy Sep's car. Deuce. What's up, guys? Just pulled up right now. This video, I'm sorry guys, is going to be kind of shady due to the fact that my gimbal died. I thought it was charged, but gotta do it old school, guys. Ugh. Fucking Z. Yeah, I gotta do it old school, guys, so stay tuned.
You should have been on the Wekfest with the pick up our latest t-shirts and sweaters and guys and jackets. Again, welcome to Wekfest Los Angeles.
This thing is fucking badass. Damn. This shit is out of this world.
This thing's all done.
Christ. I think this might be a Various carbon fiber body kit. Jeez. God damn. Alberto's car? Albert? Not gonna lie, one of my favorite Evos in the game. One of them, not my favorite one of them, but it's definitely top 3. Best Honda in the game right now. Honestly, I love this little Honda.
She was right about to. Yeah.
Not sure how this is my first time seeing this Evo, but it's fucking badass. This is wide. Yeah, buddy. Favorite truck of all times. God damn. Just like the one at the shop. Honestly, this is a nice truck, but mine makes it look like really bad. No offense. Yo. Killing the Miata game. Shit's a new gen. Nice. I remember seeing this M4 at Wekfest 2019 in Fontana. This thing's still looking so clean. Yeah, buddy. SSR family. Ew. Looks like it's in 2018, just like mine. I could dump like 15 grand and make it look like this, but negative. Gorgeous car though, nice setup. This might be the baddest Evo in the game. Fuck. Dude, Wheeler Motorsports did a fucking amazing job on this thing. Damn. It's a V3 Varus body kit. Color matched. Look at the wheels. Dude, this setup is rare. We gotta respect the classics, huh? Hell yeah.
If you want something to play with, go and find yourself a toy. Baby, my time is too expensive.
Jesus Christ. 720S. This color. Fuck. Nice. Jesus, this fool drove from Montana. Not Fontana, but fucking Montana. Jeez. And my boy's fucking Evo 10 Sep.
What's up, guys?
So Seb, tell me a little bit about the engine, because this thing I heard it's pretty fucking fast.
It is pretty quick. This is a 2008 Evo 10. When I first bought it, it was good. It was fun. Bolt-ons, tune, made about 350 all-wheel horsepower and torque. And then after a year or two, I got kind of bored of it, and I basically decided to build it and go all out. This is a built 2.0, sleeved. Manly pistons, and it is a lot of fun.
The real deal, huh?
The real deal. So I actually did the motor, the transmission, the diff, and the wide body. I did it all at the same time. So I pulled out the motor and trans, fixed that up, sent that out, and then I towed the shell to a shop in Orange County, and I had the whole body done and built. So the complete and total time of the build was 5 years. Took me 5 years.
Talk about a fully built car.
So everything is done. I mean, all the body is new. The sheet metal's new. It's a full custom metal wide body kit. It's a one-off kit, handmade. The motor's built. The trans is built. It's re-geared. Upgraded diff pins. On E85, 31 pounds of boost. I'm at 608 all-wheel horsepower and 500 foot-pounds of torque.
On an all-wheel drive car.
All-wheel drive. And speaking of that, KW suspension coilovers, white line sway bars, and the wheels and tires are the best part. So a lot of people get big wheels, but they put small tires on it and they camber it. Well, I didn't want to do that. I'm a fan of the meaty look. I am on 19 by 11 negative 36 all the way around. Work L1 three-piece wheels. I had to wait 6 months for the wheels to get shipped from Japan.
75 years later.
And I am running Toyo R888R 305s all the way around.
That's gnarly, bro.
So I don't have a problem with grip. Sometimes in first gear it spins a little bit, but for the most part this thing hooks and goes.
Guys, as you can tell, this car is fully built inside and out. I mean, what kind of cage is that in the back?
That is an auto power 4-point roll cage.
This thing's business, bro.
Yeah,
this thing
thank you.
is business.
I appreciate it.
All right, guys. So in about 3 to 4 weeks, I'm getting my F80 tuned, and I'm gonna go at it with this homie right here. See if I can somewhat keep up with this all-wheel drive monster.
He's gonna try to keep up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep up. Like I said, keep up, but we'll see. All right, guys. Stay tuned for what's coming up next.
Category, starting with the best S2000. Best S2000 of the 2019 Wekfest LA. Tommy Haw, 2008 Honda S2000 CR. Full ASM everything. Wherever we go.
Yeah, that's okay. Nobody's taking a picture. Oh, here you go.
I'll go take a picture. Oh yeah, there you go.
There you go.
That was awkward.
Honda Civic hatchback owned by Nick Higgins. ATS Garage. Waiting for it already. Next one, there's only one award for this one. One of the coolest looking cars in the building, and some of our friends actually see this car drive around every single day. And if you actually go look at the car, you might be surprised. 2010 Hyundai Genesis owned by Johnny Lucas.
I see on the 22 all the time, man. I'm like, how is this guy driving like that? He also won the best haircut award, but we didn't bring it today.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. Wekfest 2019 is finally over. I'm pretty excited. I'm going home. I'm extremely hungry and tired. But honestly, guys, today was pretty fun. Saw a lot of friends, saw a lot of nice cars. But definitely stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more heats coming up.